Hi everyone, in this session, I'm going to give you the demo of this application Add Phase Number. In Tekla, adding phase number to part and assembly prefix is a manual process, whereas with this application, you can select all the members or parts and run this application. It will automatically assign the phase number to part and assembly prefix. This application also gives you additional options such as you can add phase name or user-defined attributes to part and assembly prefix. Let's go to Tekla and see how this application works. In the interest of the time, I have already created columns and beams with the connections. Let me go to Manage and Phases. When I select Object by Phases, you can see all these members are in Phase 1. And this is Phase 2, Phase 3, 4, and 5. When you open the properties, you can see the part number and assembly number. So when I run this application, it will automatically add the phase number to the numbering series. For example, I'm just selecting this member and open the tool. Select the phase number and select part prefix and assembly prefix. The reason I have given two options, maybe if you want to add phase number only to the part prefix, in that case, just keep this assembly prefix option off. And if I go to the additional prefix, you can also add phase name, user field 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the start number. You have a different formats here. Let me select 4 digits format, and once I click add phase number, let me open this one. You can see this member belongs to phase number 5 and the numbering series is 5001. And when I select this member and run, you can see this member belongs to phase 4, start number is 4001. Another advantage of running this application, you don't have to run one by one. Let me select all the members and parts. And then once I click add phase number, let me select this beam. And you can see the phase number and start numbering series. And if you want to delete maybe for some reason, yes, it is possible, but this is only an additional option. So if I go and select everything and then click delete phase number, it will revert to original settings. So there you can see. And if you want to add phase name, I'm selecting the phase name here. You can see this is the phase name. As you can see how quickly you can change the part and assembly prefix and set the start numbers. This application will also be useful when you change the phase numbers in the middle of the project. You don't have to manually enter the values. Just run this application by selecting the members. If you have any question, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.